Hey everybody, Pat Pollard here with Dynamic Diamond Tooling. Today what I want to show you is when you get your new vacuum from Dynamic Diamond Tooling, either the DDV26 or the DDV36 or your pre-separator, it's going to come with your Longo packs installed as you see them right here. So in order, before you can start using your vacuum, we're going to have to take that bag and get it prepped ready to go. In your vacuum you're going to have some zip ties here in a handy little compartment there. You're going to take one zip tie out. Finding the edge of the bag, we're going to pull it down around the black ring. It's going to unfold as you pull it down. You're going to take the bag, we're going to bunch it together, just like that. Going to wrap our zip tie around, pulling it tight, and you're ready to go. That's all it takes. Thanks so much.